Man, I'm fired up, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm pretty excited, dude.
I'm ready to fucking cook.
Back in the studio.
Yeah, back for real this time.
Yeah, we are actually back in the studio.
This is, back behind BTS, this is day 2.
Different day, right.
Yeah.
What do we got going on, Shawn?
Man.
Chile?
We're making South American chili.
South American chili. Big difference.
Yeah.
What do we got here ingredients-wise?
We got beef, we got peppers, we got onions.
All three color bell peppers, onions, beef.
Red like the stop signs. Or
right.
I don't drive, I don't know.
No, that's it. Yeah, we got the stop signs right here.
Green, yellow, red.
The stop sign, the stop
peppers. We got jalapenos, my friend.
Jalapeno.
Jalapenos.
We got black and kidney beans.
Yep.
Some tomato paste for base.
And we got stock.
Some stock. For this, I'm gonna put chicken and beef in this one. I think it works really, really well.
No vegetable?
Oh, and the vegetable stock. Yeah, we're gonna do a trio. So I think that's gonna work awesome for this. First things first, Shawn.
Yeah.
We do need to saute these veggies.
Yep.
Cut them up.
Get to it.
With our expertly sharpened hone knives.
Yeah. How you doing, Mike?
Yeah, I was just gonna ask what kind of.
You gonna do rings? I guess we'll rings and then we'll dice them down further.
Okay, yeah.
Start with rings.
I'm thinking like chunks about this big. About.
Very nice.
Right, you know. It's pretty forgiving, you know, something like this because it's gonna cook down in the crock pot most of the time.
That's good. I gotta tell you, maybe you can get down to this later for us, but
I'm gonna take out this white part. It's a little bitter sometimes.
Oh yeah.
It's not. It's something you don't really have to do.
Yeah.
I'm taking out because there's a lot of it.
Yeah, I do.
It's just kind of bitter. I don't want to with that.
Yeah.
I interrupted you. So.
No, it's fine. Yeah, I do that once in a while when I think about it, chopping out the inner rind.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say, sometimes I'm just no good at chopping vegetables, whatever it is.
You seem fine at chopping stuff.
Some people get it, you know, cubed, like down little tiny cubes.
You can. I mean, that's just a technique. It depends on what you're making and what it's for, right?
Yeah.
Some people don't. It's just a style. It's not. There's no. Again, really, there's no right or wrong answer for that. Depends on what you're doing it for. Some people like a chunky soup, chunky chili, whatever.
Yeah.
I mean, you can put these in really, really, really small pieces in the chili, and that's fine. Sure. Nothing wrong with it as far as I'm concerned.
I'm picking up what you're putting down there. Manus. Dice these down in record speed.
Yeah.
Saute it.
I'm not even trying to go super fast. I'm trying to get good. You know, like last time, I just try to get good, consistent cuts. They're all like, they don't really have to be. This is pretty forgiving, but kind of relatively same size-ish. Yeah. Yeah.
I know. I'm aware.
You are aware, Shawn. Awake and aware.
Barely.
That's all right.
Hang on by a thread.
Well, once this is done, you'll be a lot more than barely.
I need 3 weeks. Oh, thank you, sir. I need 3 weeks at the Jersey Shore. Joyzy. Joyzy.
Just about done with the peppers.
Yeah.
You're already done with your pepper.
Yep, done with my peppers. Gonna bust out this onion.
So we just got the 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Low on onions.
But if this is all we need, we got the perfect to make. Make life a little easier. Right?
Thank you, sir. Teamwork makes the dream.
That's just absolutely beautiful color there.
So we're gonna do we need?
Yeah, just for a minute before I toss those onions in. Is it big enough for this and the beef? Should be.
Right.
Yeah, because okay.
Do we need olive?
I would, yeah. Put a little olive oil in there. Okay. The onions.
Sauteing right now.
Well, yeah, just kind of a quick.
Not rocket science.
Nah, just I mean a lot of the cooking. Is going to be in that crock pot. You know, it's going to cook down low and slow kind of deal.
Yeah.
We're just kind of giving it a.
Just giving it a spanking real quick.
At this point, Shawn.
Yeah.
Pop in them onions.
All right. move.
Okay, let's grab that spatch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a good amount for the size crock pot we have. And extra vegetables, that never hurt nobody, Shawn.
Yeah.
Never.
Oh yeah. Good for you. How we doing? Is that enough beef? Do we need a little? I got extra packs.
You know what? Yeah, we could put a little more in. I mean,
your call.
I just don't want it to be too hard to saute everything in here.
Yeah.
This is already it's pretty filled up with the amount of.
That's true. Yeah.
That's going to be difficult.
We can do it in a separate thing.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you just brown the in that pan, and we'll just combine everything.
Yeah.
You know, if you have a big enough pan, or if you just use less vegetables than we're using, you could easily do the beef with the vegetables, no problem at all. But in this case, it's, you know, we got a little rambunctious there.
Yeah. A little out of hand over here. Over here planning out my next vacation.
Right. You know what? Yeah, I think both. You're right.
I'm all sorts of loose.
That's all right.
All right, so we got the peps are good. The onions are good.
Oh, absolutely. I'm gonna cut that off because the rest of the cooking is gonna be in that crock pot.
Gotcha.
So
we'll do that and we'll leave.
Just waiting for the.
Let that do that. Should we build? So put stuff in there.
Yeah, I guess we can. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Make sure that's off. Cool.
Yep.
All right. Sweet.
That'll catch up. What do we?
For the build for this,
what do we start with?
It's going to be. What do we have? Kidney beans, black beans, which we can use. Right. A lot of times, I just put the juice in also. Okay. But since we have a lot of really good stock, I'm just going to dump out a little bit of the juice.
That's a move. Yeah.
Yeah. Not all of it.
I'm with it.
You know, because there's a lot of flavor in there.
Oh yeah.
So we're definitely going to take out a good amount. And like I said, I have, but when I didn't have as much stock,
yeah,
I'll put all the juice in there, and it turns out really, really well.
Yeah.
But I would dump out like most of that.
I got you.
So beans in. We also have tomato paste, jalapeno. Ooh. Cool. And that's a good amount, I think, for this size.
Tomato paste.
Yep. We could put all that in. You might need a spoon. That's pretty.
Need it.
The viscosity on there is like the highest possible.
Need a scooping implement.
Right. I'll give this a.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
What else we got there, Shawn?
I think we're looking at.
I'll tell you what. I'll let you have the executive decision.
Oh boy!
On how I know this is.
I've been waiting for this.
On how many jalapenos you want in. I like jalapenos. I like stuff like that. I don't like too much of it because I think too much of it just, you know, something that makes something too hot. I know people like this kind of flavor, but it just ruins the taste of stuff.
I want them all.
Oh man, he said all.
So we also.
Hey, I'll tell you what, put as many as you want. Do me a favor. Don't put the juice though.
Yeah, I was gonna ask.
Just make this like lava.
Yep.
I mean, it'll make this thing nuts.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Make it rain. That looks about right.
That looks good right there.
Cool. Looks good to you. Looks good to me, my friend.
Nice.
So we got the out of.
You got the paste in there.
We got the jalapenos. And we got the stock. Oh yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna add a little bit of this chili powder, just pure chili powder. Probably have some little garlic in there. Yeah. I'm not really measuring this. I never cooked with this size before. You don't need a whole lot. You want to put enough in there to have that. Yeah. Have that aroma. Have that taste. You can always. Here's just something really important. Yeah. I'm not going to put too much in or too much salt. We did season the veggies and the meat with S&P already. Yep. And the stock has a bunch of salt in it too. So I'm not going to put too much S&P in here. I'm not going to put too much of the chili powder because we can always put more later. Yeah. But it'll be a real problem to take it out. Yeah, it's impossible, you know. So everything's in here except the stock. Yeah. And this looks just about. What do we do? Actually, I'll tell you what.
Stock last.
Yeah, we'll put that in last. Okay. Just
good thinking.
So veggies in. Yep. And I'll try not to totally. Yeah, if we need to spill all these little spillage, that never hurt anybody either. Yeah.
take a slip on a banana peel and go, whoops.
Whoop.
And wake up to St. Peter.
Oh boy. You may or may not get in there, Shawn. I don't know. That's all right.
I don't think I'm making it.
There's always room for where I'm going. I'll put in a good word for you. I'll put in a good word. All right. Meat in.
That's what she said.
That's what, yeah, she did.
What's wrong with man?
Nothing at all.
Nah, you're lying.
Well, I'll tell you later.
Yeah.
Exactly what's wrong.
Tell you off camera.
Yeah, off camera what's wrong with you.
Yeah.
So from here, we're gonna do the stocks. Now there's a lot in here already, so we might not use all of it. Okay. But let's try to get all of them in, right? Gotcha. So, you know, this is all gonna cook down. So this is kind of irrelevant how much we're putting in. No, it's not really irrelevant. We don't want to all the way to the top, you know. You know, we might be able to put in more than, yeah. Definitely these two, I'll tell you what. No doubt. Actually, hold on, let me see. Okay. There's the chicken, the beef, vegetable. I'm going to do a little less than this because we have a lot of that vegetable flavor. Because you don't want too much water in here. I think that's perfect.
That's looking good.
Like I said, we need more S&P later on. More chili powder. We can put that in.
Right now we're...
So it's built?
Taking rice cooker, I think.
Okay.
Maybe.
Excellent. Lid.
Lid, I think that's it.
Lid on. Oh. And it's really that simple. I mean, everything we did, you can cut out. You just want one color onion. Yeah. Or color onion. Color bell pepper. You put whatever colors you want. You just put one. You can put a lot less. Yeah. We like a lot of vegetables. Yeah. So that's it, Shawn. This is going to be the waiting game yet again.
Looks like our chili is done.
Yeah, after about, I don't know, it was like 3 hours maybe 4 hours. I don't know. Cooking away there.
Too long.
It has simmered down and reduced.
Yeah.
It's not a super thick pasty. It's still, there's some really good broth in there, but it has a lot of good color. And everything has been just melding. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Cool.
You want to take a spoon?
Nice.
We can...
We'll do the dish out. If you would honor me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, that looks great. Perfect.
You know,
that's
perfect.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Just the color on this. The smell the whole time has been great, but I mean, it's like rainbow chili.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah. I saw
a lot of vegetables, a lot of beans.
The yellow really pops.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
Do have a couple jalapenos in there.
Oh yeah. I can taste the heat. It's nice.
Well, it's delicious. That came out really, it's so worth it to really simmer this stuff for hours.
I gotta tell you.
I mean, you can do it on high heat and evaporate it, but just let everything really, you know, emulsify together.
Yeah. You put it on low. Leave it alone for a while. You really can't go wrong too. The beauty of a crock pot.
Right.
Put everything in, set it and forget it. Boom.
Oh yeah. These are just legendary. They're so great to have in your kitchen for rice too. Yeah. Those jalapenos, they're not too bad. Yeah. They give it just a little. They give the broth to me just a little taste of them. Okay. But it's not overwhelming the flavor of what we did for 3.5, 4 hours, whatever it was.
Oh, yeah. And yeah, I do hate the feeling of like when you
it's really good.
When you make chili and you have to wait all day for it. Oh, it's torture.
I know, but you know that end product.
Oh yeah, so worth it.
You do your part, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Really really wholesome, like super healthy, right? And we actually drained out the meat, the fat from the meat.
Yeah.
I thought it was a lot. I made sure I took that out.
Yeah.
I'll do the same thing whether I'm making
Keep it lean.
chicken, pork, beef, whatever I'm making for pasta sauce, a meat sauce. Then it's like kind of like a gravy if there's meat in it.
Yeah.
And it's real thick. I'll dump out the fat after cooking it.
Yeah.
Because that just gives a weird taste to everything afterwards.
Unless you're in the degrees, you know.
That's different. If you're looking for that flavor,
Right.
I just don't like it in sauce. It just makes it
It's too
greasy and oily. It gives a weird flavor profile to it.
Yeah.
For me.
No,
Right, yeah.
Alrighty.
Very satisfied.
Got another winner, sir.
Nice.
Yep.
Sweet.
Like we're running for office.
Right. Yeah, we'll hold it uncomfortably and just